Cockatiels are the second most popular birds. They also originated in Australia and are available in a variety of colors. In the wild gray type, the male has a large yellow cheek patch, which is absent in the female. You can also find them in albino, pied, which is spotted, pearly, which has small dots on the feathers, lutino, which is yellow, the white face, and other color mutations. Cockatiels don't speak very well, but they can learn to whistle tunes. They can be very tame and wonderful pets for children. They are relatively quiet, but can make a sharp call. They are slender birds, about 10 inches long. Cockatiels are very athletic and generally hardy. Like budgies, they are easy to care for.